Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through the Revolut website. Revolut lands in New Zealand. You can click this button to get early access. Spend abroad without fees. As you know, there's a Revolut Visa card, multi-currency accounts, free international money transfer, buy and exchange cryptocurrencies, stay on top of your spending, send the money instantly for free, split bills in a single tap. We've saved customers $160 million in fees. Join one of the fastest growing companies in Europe. There are over 2 million customers and 100 million plus transactions and over 15 billion total value. So what you waiting for? You can click this button to get early access. Go to the Revolut website to find more information. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment down below.